In this video, we're going to add and manage publications. Safeguard enables you to group documents into publications for easier document and subscription management. You can grant user access to publications instead of individual documents, with users being able to automatically access all documents within a publication. So first, open the admin system, enter your user details, and log in. Then select the Publications tab. In the Publications window, select Add. In the Add Publications window, then type in the name of the new publication. We just say Baker's Weekly. You can then add a description if you wish to. And last, you have the option as to whether or not to obey the customer's start date. Check this box if you don't want customers to have access to documents published before the customer was added. For example, do this if you are selling subscription services for a publication and do not wish new customers to gain access to back numbers, i.e. issues that were published before the customer subscribed to your publication. If this box is not checked, then the customer start date will be ignored and customers will be able to access all the documents that have been published to the publication. Please note that if you publish a document with a start date in the future, it will not become available to customers until that date. When you're happy with that, just click Add. Message appears saying that the publication Baker's Weekly has successfully been added. Now if we click on the Manage tab, here we can see a list of all the publications that have been added. Okay. If there's a long list, you can search for the publication the same way you can search for a user or a document in the filter field. Okay. When you look down here and pick a particular publication, this one's name is Course 129. It has a publication ID number, and the description is Course January to March 2022. Obey customer start date in this case? No. View customers. Here we can view which customers have access to the publication. Okay, close that down. And we can also view the documents that belong to that publication. In this case, there's only the one. And finally, we can tell the date the publication was added to the system. Should you wish to delete a publication, all you have to do is find the publication, select the box next to it. If you've got more than one to delete, you can click several boxes should you wish to, but I'm only going to delete the one. So with the checkbox selected, in the with all checked, you have the option to delete and then press OK. A message will appear warning you to be aware that if you delete a publication, it is not possible to recover it or any of the documents that were part of it. Once you're happy with that, just click Yes. Okay, a message appears saying one publication was successfully deleted in this case. Finally, if you click the Export tab, you have the option of exporting all your publication details into a CSV file by clicking the Export button. It can be saved in a location of your choice. We will close that for now. When you open the file using Excel, you will see the publication ID, the name, the description, whether it's obey customer start date or not, and the date it was created. Okay. Once you finish that, close the spreadsheet, log out of the admin system, and close the browser. We will now look at protecting a PDF document and adding it to a publication. So first, open Windows Explorer, locate the document you wish to protect, right-click on the PDF, and choose Make Secure PDF. In the writer window, select the Customer Access. Using the drop-down, select Customers belonging to the selected publication, and then choose the publication you wish to allocate the document to, in this case, Baker's Weekly. You can then set any other document controls you wish to select, and then when you're ready, click Publish. In the Protection Status window, click OK. Close Windows Explorer. I will now show you how to grant or revoke user access to a publication. So again, open the admin system, enter your user details, and log in. In the customer area, find the user you wish to grant access to, and again, you can use the search feature if you have a lot of users. Okay, once you've found the one you wish to grant access to, click on the Details tab, scroll down to Set Publication Access. In the Set Customer Publication Access area, select the publication you wish to grant access to. Okay, you can give access to more than one publication again, as usual, by just clicking boxes. In this case, we're just given access to one. With all checked, using the drop down, you have the option of granting unlimited access, limited access, or if you want to take somebody out of access, just click revoke access, and he will no longer have access to that publication. If you want to grant limited access, it comes up with a date range. So you could give them a day, a week, months limited access, year. Again, you can use this to control subscriptions. If they have a trial subscription for only 1 month, you could give them just access for that 1 month and no more. So you can control it how you wish. In this case, we're just going to grant unlimited access and then say OK. Once we've done that, it says publication unlimited access set. Okay, so we'll close that down. At this point, we'll just go back to the publications area, into the Manage tab and have a look, the Baker's Weekly now. So we added a customer. If we click on there now, we can now see the customer that we've just added to the publication. Okay, close that down. We now have documents. We added a document to that publication. It comes up there. There's the document we just added as well. Okay, close that down. So all the information about your publication is there. And as we said before, you can export it if you wish to do so. That's all there is to it. Once you're finished with that, log out of the admin system and close the browser.